Because the path of the new AFE exhaust is different, we're actually going to cut the exhaust twice. Now, in the official BMW guides, when it talks about changing out your exhaust and doing other things, they're even cutting it. If you were at the dealership, they would cut it right here at the mark right here after the resonator. There's a mark here, there's a mark here. They would replace the resonator, whatever it happened to be, and they'd put in new clamps right here. Because what you have is this crossbody brace right here, and this is very strong and very complicated to take out. It's got big bolts here, it's got big bolts on the other side, but there's an easier way of doing this. If you cut here, the upper section will come down. Don't take that upper brace nut off yet, because you'll hold that upper section in place, right? But if you cut here, the upper section will come down and will separate away from your downpipe. The rest, when you look at this, you'd have to take all of this off. You'd have to take these big bolts out here and here, big ones over here. Forgive the shady lighting here for a second. But all of these things would have to come down unless you cut it right here. If you were putting in M Performance exhaust or also an upgrade, BMW would cut it right here. And the same thing on the tractor marks here on the pipe here. So we're gonna cut just below the resonator, and we're gonna cut here, which is gonna separate these pipes out. We don't have to go through all the trouble of taking these cross braces out, which is going to be significantly easier. Okay, so I have a good tool called a hacksaw. Get a hacksaw, and with these marks, you can make a nice even cut through the pipes. Make sure to use eye protection. Don't get hot metal into your eye. It sucks. So I'm going to cut the pipes here, and here on both sides. I'm going to cut the pipes back here as if we were putting in M Performance exhaust here and here. And then this is all going to come down in sections, and it's going to be a lot easier and faster than if you actually had to take these crossbody braces off.